The VA loan. Let's walk through one of the most valuable tools available to our military community when it comes to buying a home, the VA loan. What is a VA loan? A VA loan is a mortgage option backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, and it's designed to help eligible service members, veterans, and certain surviving spouses buy a home, often with no down payment, no private mortgage insurance or PMI, and competitive interest rates. Hi, I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty, and this subject is very important to me because both my son and daughter are currently serving in the U.S. military as of the making of this video. So who qualifies? You may be eligible if you're an active duty service member with at least 90 continuous days of service, a veteran who served at least 90 days during wartime or 181 days during peacetime, a National Guard or Reserve member with at least 6 years of service, or the surviving spouse of a service member who died in the line of duty or from a service-connected disability. What is VA entitlement? Entitlement is the dollar amount the VA guarantees on your loan. Most eligible buyers have what's called full entitlement, which means there's no loan limit. You can borrow as much as your lender will approve, and that's going to depend on your income, credit history, and assets, with no down payment, as long as you qualify financially. If you've used a VA loan before and still own that home, you may have partial entitlement, meaning you might need a small down payment depending on the loan amount and the remaining benefit. But here's the great news. You can use your VA loan benefit more than once, and in many cases, restore full entitlement by selling or refinancing the original home. To use your VA benefit, you'll need a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. This proves that you're eligible and shows how much entitlement you have. Your lender can usually help you get this quickly during pre-approval. Are you active duty? Let's talk about BAH. If you're currently serving, one of the biggest advantages is that you can use your basic allowance for housing, or BAH, to help cover or even fully pay your monthly mortgage payment. It's tax-free income and counts towards your qualifying income, which can significantly increase your buying power. A few key rules. VA loans are for primary residences only, not second homes, vacation homes, or investment properties. You must intend to occupy the home within about 60 days of closing. And there's a one-time VA funding fee, which can often be rolled into the loan or waived for veterans with service-connected disabilities. Why the VA loan is important? For those who qualify, the VA loan is hands down one of the most powerful and affordable paths to home ownership. I have the Military Relocation Professional Certification, or MRP, from the National Association of Realtors, so that I can help my military family when they are ready to purchase homes. And I'd love to help you too. Have questions about eligibility, entitlement, or how to make your BAH work for you? Let's connect. I'll walk you through the process and help you make the most of your hard-earned benefits. Thank you so very much for your service. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty, authentic coastal luxury at every price point.